Austin Bollywood Day and Agni Entertainment hosted the Big Bollywood Bharat as part of the official Bollywood Day in Austin, Texas. It was Austin's largest Bharat procession where the dancers danced their way from the Texas state capitol to the Long Center on Congress Avenue. Dressed in ethnic Indian attire, all the dancers danced on the beat of the dhol. There were stalls and booths showcasing the Indian clothes and accessories. Agni, the dance company, will continue this tradition annually by hosting the Bollywood Day as the city's proclaimed event.
So August 8th, the capital, the city of Austin, declared August 8th as Austin Bollywood Day. And so here we are celebrating Austin Bollywood Day. And, anything Bollywood is, music, dance, Indian food. We have a dhol player. We have amazing clothes from different vendors, lovely Indian food. What else do you want? This is what India is all about, all the different cultures. And that's what we are out here trying to celebrate and trying to spread Indian culture with the city of Austin.
Hi, this is Dolly Anuradha, Austin, Texas's one and only female Dolly, otherwise known as ATX Dolly. Today is August 8th, and it's also the official Bollywood Day. And today is not only about introducing Bollywood culture to Austinites. This is about introducing Indian culture, music, clothes, jewelry, henna, this drum, and to give everyone an opportunity to participate.
This is the first year that the mayor has officially recognized August 8th as Austin Bollywood Day. And it came about because of the incredible popularity that Bollywood has achieved in the last 4 or 5 years in Austin. We've had events where there's 5,000, 6,000 people show up. After Slumdog Millionaire, the popularity has grown so much that this year the mayor decided that we're going to have an official day.
So it was really fun to try and get people involved this year to actually learn some of the steps. We had online instructional videos. We had several small little mini lessons that people could engage with prior to the 7 p.m. call out for everybody to come and perform the Bollywood dance. So it was an interesting way to get people involved this year.
We just covered probably the biggest Bharat of Bollywood dancing here in Austin at the Austin Bollywood Day, hosted by Agni Entertainment and Agni Dance Company at the beautiful Long Center. So many dance enthusiasts turned up today to make this fun event a record-breaking reality. This is Seema Govil for TV Asia.